Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Messenger. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.